Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to analyze customer behavior using Looker Studio, in a step-by-step, beginner-friendly, and fully updated for 2026. If you want to understand what users actually do on your website or app, this guide will make it much clearer. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report, or open an existing one. Connect your data source. Most people use Google Analytics 4, but you can also use Google Sheets, BigQuery, or CRM data if it includes user activity and events. Now start with overview metrics. Add scorecards for users, sessions, engagement rate, average engagement time, and conversions. These metrics give you a quick snapshot of how customers interact with your platform. Honestly, it's a great starting point. Next, analyze behavior over time. Add a line chart with date as the dimension and sessions or users as the metric. This helps you spot trends, spikes, or drops in user activity. Very useful. To understand what users do next, add charts for pages or events. Use tables to show top pages, key events, or actions like clicks, signups, or purchases. This reveals where users spend time and where they drop off. Now break behavior down by audience segments. Add bar charts to analyze users by device type, traffic source, country, or campaign. This shows how different groups behave differently, which is huge for optimization. Filters make this analysis flexible. Add a date range filter and optional filters for device, source, or location. This lets you explore customer behavior under different conditions without changing the report. If needed, use calculated fields to create custom insights like engagement per session or conversion rate per user. These extra metrics often reveal patterns you'd otherwise miss. Design matters too. Keep charts clean, labels clear, and pages focused. Customer behavior dashboards should be easy to explore, not overwhelming. Before sharing, switch to view mode and test everything. Change filters, adjust dates, and confirm data updates correctly. And that's it. By combining overview metrics, behavior charts, breakdowns, and filters, you can clearly analyze customer behavior with Looker Studio. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more step-by-step Looker Studio guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next